2 of the DIY full studio shoot series. In the last video, Kai and I put together the run of shoot, volunteer models, free location, hair, makeup, and wardrobes. And in this video, we're going to be turning my living room into a studio and following through on the shoots. So I hope you enjoy part 2 of the DIY full studio series.
Okay. So today, we're turning Victoria's living room into a studio for $0.
The first thing that Kai and I did was clear out my living room by removing the furniture and anything unnecessary in the room. The second thing we did was create the backdrop for our photo shoot, which was posting the newspapers and recycled material on the wall as our backdrop to go with our media theme of the distorted youth. And I posted up the mood boards for the shoot so that when everyone came, they could see the agenda. Next thing we did was set up our wardrobe station and labeled which outfits the models are gonna wear, and the only thing left to do was follow through with the shoot.
Oh my god, look at that!
The only thing left to do was follow through with the shoot, so I hope you enjoy Kai and I's collaboration for the Distorted Youth photo shoot. We're gonna go pick up Francesca, a person who volunteered to model for us. Do a quick wave, I'm doing a video. But there's like
even though it doesn't even show.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All of Kai's links are below. Please follow me on Instagram if you want to see how the rest of the photos came out, and I'll see you guys in the